Hello everyone and welcome to another video with Mr. Math. Today we're solving definite integrals. Okay, we're evaluating the integral of 6x from 0 to 2. Okay, let's remember that the integral of a function from a to b dx is equals to the original or the primitive function evaluated on b on the upper bound minus the function evaluated on a, the lower bound. Okay, that's the formula that we will apply. Let's understand that this f represents the original function. Okay, so for 6x is quite simple. What we're gonna do, we're gonna have 6 integral from 0 to 2 of x dx, and this will be equals to 6x squared over 2. We don't need a constant of integration here, and this will be evaluated from 0 to 2. Okay, this is equivalent of 3x squared because 6 and 2 will cancel out, and this will be evaluated from 0 to 2. So we will evaluate on 2 to the square minus 3 times 0 to the square. 2 to the square is 4 times 3, that will be 12. Minus 3 times 0 to the square is 0, so the answer is 12. Alright, thank you for watching, and don't forget to follow us on social media. Send your problems, we will be happy to help.